Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at WingStop. Now, maybe it's because I didn't get to eat lunch today, but I'm taking a look at this chart, and I think this chart is pretty promising. As you know, the S&P 500, is in a very solid uptrend right here, but it seems to be weakening a bit as we closed under the daily 8 exponential period moving average. Now, when that happens, I start hunting for relative strength. I start hunting for stocks that are performing better than the overall market. And today I found WingStop. Now, if I zoom out here, you can see WingStop is actually in a really long base of consolidation that it just recently broke out of. It basically went sideways for about a year. And just today closed, at an all-time closing high. So we are seeing some great relative strength within WingStop. Here on the chart, I can also draw some lines, and you can see that this level has acted as resistance in the past. We couldn't get above, we got rejected, didn't even make it close, and then we kind of chopped around here for a little bit before the market pushed the stock higher. So I like the fact that WingStop is making new highs while other stocks in the market are kind of creeping near some lows. So I think it's worth keeping an eye on WingStop and watch for a buyable pullback to this daily 8 exponential period moving average. It's making new highs on the daily chart, and on the weekly chart, it's also making new highs. So we want to pay attention to stocks that are making new highs when the market is, a little touch and go at the moment. So keep an eye on WingStop. I'm watching for a buyable pullback to that daily 8 exponential period moving average. Hey, if you're a member of Stock Market Mentor, be sure and check your email inbox. Dan Fitzpatrick did a great tutorial today about concentrating your account in fewer stocks, because in his experience, he's found that if you have, 15 or 20 stocks in your account, it's really, really hard to be able to track all of those. So he'll give you some strategies tonight in his tutorial about how to call the herd and be a little more focused in your trading. And if you found this video helpful, be sure and check out StockMarketMentor.com, take a trial, and we'll see you on the other side.